Hi traders and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to see how you can capture even odd using the Pulse Premium tool. These tools on the site mainly guide you in terms of knowing whether you have a predominant even side or predominant odd side, okay? So today we'll have a look at it a bit in more detail. The tool is normally for you to read it like a map to assist you know. Now, as a beginner, the bot I would advise you to use is the ProfitMax Surge AI 2026, that bot, because that bot has the advantage of you selecting the martingale factor, which I will show you in a short while. So we'll be selecting even odd, that is the trade type we are trading. Let's try and capture even, and then this is the most interesting part here. You set your stake. We'll be staking $25. And then the martingale factor here, you can reduce it to 0.5 or work with 0.8 or 1.7, okay? That will enable you protect your capital in case of any losses, okay? So our stop loss, let's keep it at $200. And then our target profit is $75, guys, okay? So the board side is set. And then after that, we come to the ProfitMax Pulse Premium. This tool will give you entries on rise and fall and even and odd, okay? So if you find it like that, it has not restarted, just go back to the board builder and then come back to the tool again so that it can be able to jumpstart and propagate, okay? There you can see it's up and running now. You can see the volatility there is a 75 1s, ticks 300. We want to capture an even market and we are very lucky. Already we have an even entry here. You can see strong and runner-up digits 4 and 0 are both even and above 11%. So once you come to the tool, you need to wait for the setup to build, and then the tool will provide you an entry in that location. There is where you'll see the entry, and then you simply run your bot, okay? So the idea here or the strategy here is that even digits to dominate, they must be above 11%. And then the tool will do other calculations behind the scene, and then it will be able to give you an entry there. Right now you can see setup building. We should be able to get an entry anytime now. I'll explain to you further, but let's capture this one first. Let's capture this one. Basically, it will wait for, there we have an entry. Run your bot, we're in the market. First trade is a loss, yes. Look at the martingale factor set at 0.8. We've recovered. Third trade is a win. Fourth trade is a win. We're at $55 now. We have a loss there, but then of course you'll see a recovery, still in profit of $30. $68. We're targeting 75. And boom, we've made $89.45, guys, okay? So that tool will assist you because the human mind, you'll not be able to easily analyze all these things manually. So this tool helps you know the percentages. We still have another entry. You can see strong digit 4 runner up is 0, and all those digits are even digits. So we are targeting even because this market is predominantly even. Now the bot normally checks for 3 opposite, that is 3 odd digits, and then enter with any even that will follow. But then again, it will look at that, those are 3, and then E, it has entered, okay? 3 odd entered with the following E because there is a reversion to go to the dominant side, which is even right now. Occasionally, you'll see the market like this. Those are 3 losses that are raw, but let's see. Maybe we entered a bit too early. There now, we think it's stabilizing. Keep observing. Keep observing. The market is predominantly even, so we must get even entries. Just keep observing. There we go. We started off badly, very scary, but then again, that is how trading is. We are not saying it's foolproof 100%, but again, once you read the tool using the methods I'm showing you, you'll be able to know that the market is even or odd, okay? And there we are, we're almost hitting our take profit. There we are with $90.88 we've recovered. Okay, guys. So we are very confident because we know the market is predominantly even. Okay. Let's refresh and then we look at something again, see whether we can get another entry. See whether we can capture another entry. So the digit circles there, you look at the percentages, and also you can look at the top percentage there, 46.54. You'll be able to know when to capture these trades. The best time is 54% up to 60% onwards, okay? So this is the tool, and you can already see 4 and 0 is still there. We have an entry. Let's see whether we can capture this one. And you can see their setup is aligned. Okay, those are the things you need to check when using the tool, okay? And then here you will see it will wait for 3 odds, and then the E that will come, it will give us an entry. There you go. It has given us an entry, and you can already see the even digits starting to stream in, okay? Our first trade is a win. Second trade is a win. Third trade is a loss, but then of course a recovery should happen. There you are, $55 in profit. $76. We've hit our take profit and made 76.42, guys, okay? So you can imagine how mentors normally analyze this manually. It's normally very difficult. But with a tool like this one, it will assist you because you can get data and be able to know, okay? Like right now, you can see there, no clear setup because the runner up is odd. Digit 7 is odd. So you see, the system is telling you you cannot enter right now for even, okay? Look at the advantage. And then, of course, with those colors there, you can see there the highest digit 4. We have there's a small e, and then the least there's a small o to indicate for you 4 is even and 3 is odd. All these things that are here are for you to read and be able to know where the market is heading to. Always remember to check which percentage is leading there and then know and plan your trading. Good luck, guys. The tool is found at ProfitMaxTrader.com. We have 2 sites for new traders. It's a trade.profitmaxtrader.com. For this site, it's bots.profitmaxtrader.com. Happy trading and good luck. Try it out on demo. Always remember to control your capital. Good luck.